Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in South Africa. First of all, we will have to come on this page. I will put the link of it down in the description and it will redirect you on this page where you will see all of the countries in which PayPal is available. Now we need to find South Africa over here. So you will have to simply try to find it and open it in a new tab. Now this is the PayPal's home page that can be accessible in South Africa. So if you are living in South Africa, make sure that ZA is available in the URL. Now click on this sign up option in the top right hand corner and select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. Then click on the get started option in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to provide your first name, your last name, your email address and create a strong PayPal password for your account with the minimum character of 8. Then agree to these terms and conditions and click on create account. On the next page, you will have to provide some of other details as well, like your bank account info and your card info. So after providing all of these details, you will be able to successfully create your PayPal account from South Africa. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.